Hello, this is LiquidOcelot guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your payments from Binance account to jazzcash. This is for Pakistan only. So let's start, my friends. What I'm going to do, I am in my Binance application, and as you can see, I have $25.57 worth of cryptocurrency. So first of all, I'll just press this yellow icon and I'll go to convert. Now the BCH, it says BCH. So what I'll do, I'll put it to max, and over here I'll choose USDT, and click preview conversion. Now it says you can convert this from you can convert this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it BCH and convert to USDT, and I'm going to click preview, and now I'll convert it to USDT. Conversion has been successfully done, my friends. Now what I'm going to do, my friends, is go back to home, and what I'm going to do is press this yellow icon again, and there is an option called sell crypto to PKR, which is Pakistani rupees. I'll hit it, and I'll choose Tether US, max, and then click sell USDT. I'll select jazzcash, and over here I have option jazzcash, so I'll select it and press confirm. They are saying the system is busy, please try again later. I'll do it again, my friends. It says system is busy, please try again. So we'll wait for a couple of seconds and then try again. System is busy. So I'll wait, my friends, we'll wait. I have added my jazzcash account over here, as you can see. What I'm going to do is get out of this application, go back to Binance, and what we are going to do is try to sell all of this. Sell crypto to PKR. Max, and click sell USDT. I'll hit option of jazzcash and then confirm. So there is a problem, my friends, with the system. It's taking too long. Okay, it's worked, my friends, and it says waiting for buyer's payment. So we'll wait till the buyer purchases it, my friends. And we will wait, my friends. I'll go into my jazzcash account. Buyer name Muhammad Ataullah. Binance 7 multiplied by 24. Customer support. Let's see, my friends. I'm waiting. It's been 2-3 minutes now. Let's wait, my friends. It's taking very long time, my friends. We will wait. What does this say, this message? Into your account and your new easy. But I did jazzcash, not easypaisa. Guys, this man has sent me the money via easypaisa and not jazzcash. I am surprised. Why did he do this?